Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mehndi paste. Start by gathering your essential ingredients: fresh, body art quality henna powder, lemon juice, and a skin-safe essential oil like lavender or tea tree. The quality of your henna powder is crucial for a vibrant stain, so choose wisely. You'll also need a non-metallic bowl and a spoon for mixing. This initial preparation sets the stage for a beautiful and long-lasting Mehndi design. Now let's mix the paste. Slowly add lemon juice to your henna powder, stirring continuously to avoid lumps. The goal is a smooth, thick consistency, much like pancake batter. If it's too thick, add a tiny bit more lemon juice. If too thin, a little more henna powder. Finally, incorporate about 10 to 15 drops of your chosen essential oil for a richer color and pleasant aroma. Once mixed, cover your bowl tightly with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the paste to prevent a crust from forming. Let it rest in a warm place for 6 to 24 hours. This allows the dye to release properly. You'll notice a darker layer on top when it's ready. After dye release, transfer the paste into an applicator cone or bottle for easy use and store any excess in the freezer for up to 6 months. Before applying, ensure your skin is clean and free of oils or lotions. Apply your design carefully, allowing the paste to remain on your skin for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours, or even longer for a darker stain. Once dry, gently scrape off the paste. Do not wash it. For the best results, avoid water contact on the stained area for at least 12 to 24 hours after removal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.